Welcome to our channel. If you want to manage your Truist bank accounts online efficiently, follow these step-by-step instructions to access and use all the features of Truist online banking. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to www.truist.com or download the Truist mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store for mobile access. Step 2. Click Login at the top right of the homepage and enter your user ID and password. If you're a first-time user, click Enroll to set up your online access using your account number and personal information. Step 3. Complete the enrollment process by creating a unique user ID, setting a strong password, and choosing security questions for account recovery. Step 4. Once logged in, explore your account dashboard, which displays all your Truist accounts, including checking, savings, credit cards, loans, mortgages, and investment accounts with current balances. Step 5. Use the quick navigation menu to access key features. Transfer money between accounts, pay bills, deposit checks, view statements, and manage beneficiaries. Step 6. Set up external transfers by linking accounts from other banks. Navigate to Transfers and select Add External Account, then provide the account and routing numbers. Step 7. Enroll in Truist Bill Pay by clicking Bill Pay in the menu. Add payees by entering their information, schedule one-time or recurring payments, and track your payment history. Step 8. Customize your online banking experience by setting up account alerts for low balances, large transactions, or payment due dates. Enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Download the Truist mobile app for on-the-go banking and explore features like mobile deposit, Zelle for person-to-person payments, and digital wallet integration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.